It is my pleasure to welcome you to another instant tutorial about Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to place your first order on Pinduoduo and make payment with your bank card. Just like what you see right there, this tutorial, I'm using UBA Visa card to place order on Pinduoduo. I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you too can do it without any stress. So let me show you. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Wafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to be your Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do is head over to my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to simply click on here to open up my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to open up. So after open up my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to source for product from different supplier. Okay, so there are so many ways by which you can use to source for product on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. One of the first way is to come to the top right here. Simply click on this particular search right here. So when you click on that, that will allow you to search for products by name. So just click on that, type the name of the product. Let's say, for instance, I'm looking for children's shoes. I will simply type in children shoes. So when you type in children's shoes, simply hit on search. Then in a few seconds, you are going to see so many results as far as children's shoes is concerned. The more you scroll down, the more you see different shoes right here. However, we can simply go back to the home page, click on here to go back. Then from the home page right here, you can also scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different products that is going to load up from the home page right here. So once you are able to see the right product you want, then you go ahead and select the product. That is for the other way to source for product. Alternatively, you can come to the top right here, click on this camera icon right here. So when you click on the camera icon, that allows you to search product by picture. So I'm going to simply click on the camera. So I'm going to simply click on the camera right here, and it's going to open up like so. Once the camera opens, I'm going to select the product picture from my phone album. Then allow you to scan the product picture, just like what you see right here, and you are going to see a similar result right here. From here, you can easily select a particular store and go ahead and make your purchase. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use a particular store right here. So I will go ahead. So I'll go ahead and click on this particular store right here. So I'm going to click on the store link, allow it to load up just like what you see right here. So now we have the products right here. You can scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more you see detail about the product. Scroll down like so. So just like what you see right here. However, once you are able to satisfy with the product detail right here, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and place your order. And for you to do that, what you need to do is to simply click on this particular red button right here. So click on this red button right here, so which I'm going to simply click and proceed. And this is going to pump up right here. Then from this point here, this is where you need to choose the actual size and the quantity you need. Okay. So as for me, I need this particular size right here, 600 ml of this particular size, and I need just 2 pieces. So we want to come here now and add 2. Just like so. Now, having had the 2, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Right here, I'm going to simply switch to card right here. So you can see right here that I have choose card payment options right here. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed to payments. Then this is going to pump up right here. Next thing I need to do is to make sure I click on here. Then I have to enter my card detail right here. So I'm going to simply enter my card number. Having entered my card number, next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed. Then the next thing I need to do is to enter the name on the card right here. Then have to come to the next one right here and choose the month and the year of the expire of the card. So you have to choose the expire year and then choose month right here. Then click on OK. So you have it right here. Next thing you need to do is to enter the 3-digit code at the back of the card. Having entered the 3-digit code at the back of the card, click on here to proceed to payment. Then right here, you need to enter your payment password. Confirm your payment password. So right here, you are waiting for confirmation. So right here, you need to confirm the payment with your bank. So I'm going to choose OTP SMS right here for payment confirmation. Having select OTP, next thing I'm going to do is to click on continue right here. So I need to get the OTP for payment confirmation from my bank issuer card. So OTP is here. I'll simply copy it. Then I'll click on here. I'll paste the OTP right here. So let me reconfirm the OTP. Once I enter the OTP, next thing I need to do, once you enter the OTP, click on submit. And the payment is done successfully. Just like what you see right here. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead. So you can see I've received a debit alert from my bank card. Just like what you see right here. This is the value of what I purchased in my Naira currency right here. Just like what you see right here. Just like what you see right here, you can see. Now that is the proof of payment. I'm going to simply click on here to close this pump up. Then I'll go ahead and check the product on my profile. I'll continue to go back. Then I have to go to my profile right now. And for me to do that, I need to go back again. Then by the time I refresh my profile, the product that was paid for successful is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. You can see it right here. It's as simple as that. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to pay your link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or IDP, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.